Hey parents, what's happening? Hey, Shannon Smallwood here with Mount Bethel in the Upper School. Hey, excited, reminder also as well, but excited to see you guys tomorrow morning. We're having our first open house for the Upper School. So any of you guys, we'd love to have you. We've already got a pretty good list showing up, but we've got plenty of room to have you guys up here to learn everything that there is about the Upper School and take a wonderful tour to kind of show you all the great things God is doing with our students and faculty and just athletics and everything here at the Upper School. So again, tomorrow morning, be here, 8:30ish when things will get going, and we should have everything wrapped up sometime around 10:30. But a lot of great information. I know our students will be ready to host you and have you tomorrow as well. So see you tomorrow, 8:30. You can RSVP and click right here somewhere. All right, see you tomorrow. Bye.